Aho matakiasen, namaste, sarve mere restador. Tsilk atia, osio, all my relatives. Ahowan ICrow here, also known as Freebird. I am grateful for all those who have given me my names. I am currently, again this week, gratefully, blessedly so, in the Weber River watershed, which is part of the Greater Great Basin watershed. I believe that's how that works. So I'm here today with our animal astrology and our oracle deck card for this week. And so with all our relations, we are in, forget what the transit is, crocodile, I believe, the transit of the Mayan Aztec calendar. And I haven't gotten a clear distinct on the gene keys, but I'm all about, okay, most of that is based off of the planets and the planetary alignments. And so that's what the animal astrology, I definitely resonate with the animal energies. That's how I feel the world. We're animals, right? We're the human animal. And I remember growing up, boy, you said you were an animal. That meant had a whole different meaning. And I'm like, why? The animals are awesome, right? And so we are the human animal. You want up here, Chief? Come on up here. Chief's getting on my lap. There we go. Settle in. Thank you for sharing your wisdom with us, Rashini. He is my chief, and what he says goes, don't ya? Yes, my little ball of light. So I love following my little ball of light. Every once in a while, I have to redirect him. I have gone off on a tangent here. So back to the animal astrology and the oracle cards. So I don't do any kind of a setup or backgrounds. I don't do any kind of editing. I'm here with you. It's raw, real, spontaneous, in the moment, and I will delve into the meditation right along with you, or you will join me if you choose, and kind of capture the feeling of how the animals, aka our planets, are going to be moving their energies around and this week. So for me, I spent a lot of years, I think I've shared this before, a lot of time taking a look at the planetary alignments and their energies after have gone through it, so that 2 or 3 days later, so that there would be no bias. I wasn't reading into anything. Well, now I'm really grateful that it was so true, it was so real, it was spot on. And so feeling those energies in an animalistic way, and now it's like, okay, let's take a look at what's going to be taking place this week. How is the dove and the vulture and the wolf and the coyote, and how is that? What are the big animals for the week? And knowing what's coming through, what we're stepping into, you can ride the wave a little bit better. Like, oh, that's my wolf coming up. Now the wolf is kind of okay. The wolf is consulting with the bison, and the bison is this kind of energy for me. And so let's hear what the bison has to share, and maybe I can call in my raven. Oh, there's the raven. I can shape shift a little bit and move through this in a slightly different way, type of thing. So anyway, I'm having fun with it. I can't say I'm an astrologist. I cannot say I'm any kind of a professional or anything like that. However, I'm having fun and it's holding true for me, so maybe it will hold true for you too. It also brings us back to, we have learned so much from the animals for millennias and millennias. They were our original teachers. And so maybe reconnecting with the animals and the nature and the planets themselves in this kind of way, or in any kind of a way, will hone us in and remind us that we are part of Mother Earth and Mother Earth is part of us. And the sun, well, the sun is guiding us all, actually. So anyway, let's dive in here a little bit. I want to burn a little Palo Santos and some sweetgrass. Palo Santos for me is kind of an all-in-one. It cleanses the energies that are no longer needed, kind of brings in the focus, smoothing the energies like the cedar would. And is real good for centering into the heart as well. It has that sweet, sweet smell. This is when Rashini is like, they don't need none. Well, he doesn't think he needs any of it, but when you're just a big beaming ball of light, I guess you don't. So I'm going to set that over there and let it continue to burn while we move in. And here's some sweet grass. So we're calling in our ancestors, calling in those animals, that purifying of those energies. I love calling in the white animals. Yes. So here we go. Get us some sweet grass. Call in the animals and the ancestors. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being with us. And if you have some water, let's take a drink of water. Call in that go with the flow water energy or any cleansing that needs to take place. We say thank you, thank you. Accepting that water, earth, fire, air, and I have a little bit of tobacco. We get all four directions here. Our prayers, we say thank you. Offer a little tobacco. Thank you, thank you. And so here we go. Taking a couple of nice deep breaths. What's up, Chief? You coming back? He's at my back. Thank you, Chief. Taking another nice deep breath. And let out a big sigh. Feeling your tailbone on the seat. Whether you're sitting on the ground or in a chair, can you feel the earth beneath you? Another nice deep breath in. Hold it for just a moment. Another sigh, but a little more gentle. Feeling your shoulders relax. Another nice deep breath in. And exhale nice and gently. Settling into that heart space. To that inner oasis. And in that inner oasis, we have established our water source, our orca, the moon. The moon is our orca. Yes. She's been going around and visiting all the different signs, all the different animals. Mainly, I believe, she's got some fish ahead of her. She's got the ram she's gonna come visit this week. So our orca is making our rounds out there in that beautiful ocean or river, whatever your water source is in your oasis. And we have our lion up there on the cliff, overseeing everything. And Venus, well, she was hanging out there in the mid-heaven for a while. It looks like she's flying again. She sure is. She's gone out to visit our elephant. Oh, how can I expand this love in a bigger and greater way? Especially with the collective. I see. Oh, there's our raven. Our raven is visiting Coyote. How have you tricked yourself up? How can we keep it fun? Oh, what does the coyote mean to you? That Heyoki medicine. Coyote's wonderful, wonderful medicine. But Mercury's, our raven's flying out there to consult with that coyote and going, how can we shapeshift this and, set those traps, so to speak, going in a good way. The things that maybe we really want to come. And maybe taking a look at, okay, we caught ourselves up in this one. How can we shapeshift this? And you know how ravens are. Good old ravens. So that's going to be fun this week, that's for sure. Oh, here comes Coyote. This is our wolf. Oh, the wolf is heading out to visit with our transformer. Our wolf is going out to visit our transformer, our vulture. What needs to be looked at, what needs to be let go of, what needs to be transmuted into something different. That's a little bit later in this week. So we have a little bit of that energy in our leadership. That wolf is about our leadership. I believe She went to check on our turkey. We have a little turkey visiting here right now. I just needed to check on him. I didn't hear his bells, and he's not on my lap. So we have our wolf is visiting with the vulture. Oh, here comes Raven again. Raven is going to meet up with, the bat. Okay, let our bat know what we are listening for, what we are sending our sonar energy out to. Oh, it looks like we're wrapping up the week with the raven taking no, not taking anything. Raven is going to go visit with the vulture. So we have Raven and Wolf there visiting with the vulture. After taking a listen with our bat. And we're ending the week with the orca, where we cannot even see the orca. Way, way out yonder in the ocean. And our wolf coming back from visiting with the vulture and having a sit down with the bison. Going, visiting with that ringed wisdom. Those elders. That right prayer going, okay, now this is what my prayer is. This is what our bat is listening for. And what's the theme? The theme, because we haven't had, the lion has not moved anywhere. And so our theme this week with all our relations and the transit is our ego. What is it? And so our lion is sitting up there on the cliff and hasn't had any visitors this week. So let's take a look at what this card is flying out. It is number 86 out of the All Our Relations Eternal Child. Our eternal child is our lion. So, this is what the card looks like, number 86, if you would like to take a look. If you have the deck, you can pull number 86 if you choose. But here, go ahead and have a gander as I look up the meaning of card 86, the theme. And love is the skin of loving. Love is the skin of loving. Love is the skin of loving. So, let's see here. The sweet grass is still burning, so give me just a moment here. I'm going to offer a little water to it. So I have some for the next few weeks. We have a very strong tree elder. We have the wings of the eagle behind, or the vulture. I'm thinking the vulture, since Pluto is has some visitors this week. And the willow, feels like willow branches. Willow is very, very healing. You have a raven. There's our raven sitting on top. And we do have the monkey. So, the monkey letting go and swinging and focusing that monkey mind with our Venus, our leadership, our wolf. Are you feeding the white wolf? Are you feeding the black wolf? Or are you centered with the silver wolf, the Trinity? I know there's a lot of trines and with the lineups this week, is what I am understanding. And we have the fairy hole here. So, but love is the skin of loving. This is the theme. And maybe loving our own egos, our own sovereign selves. I don't know. I'll let you see how those animals play out for you this week. How feel free to come back and take another listen if need be. But the inner planets, like the Mercury, like our raven, our wolf, those are a lot of more personal, and our lion, that's more personal. And the outer planets are more of our collective, and how we listen with our sonar with the collective, and what is for us. Our coyote, have we gotten caught up in any traps? Are we pulling out our roadrunner? Are we seeing it and feeling it? And how we can transmute our energies to create what we wish or choose. How we choose to present our lion, our wolf, our dove heart. So, remember to with our bison and our dreams and our prayers. So may peace, dignity, and freedom be our love as we navigate our forest, as we listen with that sonar, offer our prayers in an abundant way, abundance through right prayer. It's one of those things I learned with the bison. So have fun flying with your raven, your dove, and keep it joyful, and set up those right tricks. Use your coyote in a good way to bring joy and not catch yourself in any traps. So I'm not sure what else to share except enjoy. Thank you, and I'll see you next week. Hey, hey. Shanti, shanti, shanti.